In this quick tutorial, I will show you step by step on how to hide your friend list on Facebook. It's step by step tutorial. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Facebook topic. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to hide your friend list on Facebook. A step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's begin. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your Facebook app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Facebook app. Having opened up your Facebook account, next thing you want to do is to click on this 3-stroke at the top right here. Then you have to scroll down and locate settings and privacy. Then you have to locate privacy shortcuts. Then you have to simply scroll down and locate see more privacy settings. Then take you to this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down and click on who can see your friend list. Then take you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on see more. Then you can simply click on only me right here. So with that, you have privatized your friend list, or you have hide your friend list on Facebook. Any one of your friends or people that want to send you a friend request will not have access to the number of friends you have on Facebook. So this is how to hide your friend list on Facebook, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Facebook tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.